After launching the software, the first step is to create a new stock and define the origin. By default, you can follow the software's step-by-step guidance to set the unit, stock size, 0-point position, safe height, retract height, and lift height inside the cavity. Once you are familiar with the operation, you can also click Advanced Settings to make quick changes. Next, we import vectors to generate toolpaths. Of course, you can also use the design functions, all of which come from Lightburn and are very user-friendly. Select the vector that needs a toolpath generated, then click New Operation in the Operations window on the right. Currently, MillMage already supports a wide range of 2D toolpaths. Here we demonstrate the most commonly used pocket machining and profile machining. 1. Tool selection. Click Pocket, and first select the tool to be used. You can also edit the tool parameters. 2. Machining depth and plunge method. Set the start depth to 0, which means machining starts from the stock surface. Set the final depth to 2 mm, which means machining at 2 mm deep groove. Then set the step over and ramp method. 3. Clearing mode. Select offset machining, climb milling, with a stock allowance of 0. 4. Feed and spindle speed settings. Finally, set the machining parameters. You can configure feed rate, ramp rate, spindle speed, plunge rate, etc. After configuration, click the Simulation button to preview the toolpath and simulation effect. Following the same procedure, select the vector again to generate a second pocket toolpath. This time the start depth is 2 mm, machining down to a depth of 4 mm, and the clearing mode is changed to parallel toolpath. Finally, generate a profile toolpath to cut out the finished part. Set the start depth to 0 and the final depth to the material height of 10 mm. Use climb milling, machine along the outer side of the vector, and adjust the speed parameters. Finally, you can add tabs to prevent the material from falling off during cutting. Click Simulation to observe the machining process in real time. Once everything is ready, click Control Mode to enter the machining control mode. Similar to most control software, after setting 0 points, you can start machining. When you click Start directly here, USB streaming transmission is used, and data is transmitted in real time to the device's main controller for execution. For better stability, you can export the code file and use MaxmakeLAB to send it to the device's storage for machining.